Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix exit code 1 in Minecraft Pojavlauncher. First, understand that this error is a general failure, meaning the game could not start for various reasons. It is like a catch-all for many problems. The quickest initial fix is usually a simple device restart. Power down your phone or tablet completely, then turn it back on. This often clears temporary glitches and can resolve the issue immediately, allowing you to launch Minecraft successfully. Next, let's check your Java version and RAM allocation. Incorrect Java versions can cause launch failures, so confirm it matches your Minecraft version's requirements in the launcher settings. Also, insufficient RAM is a frequent culprit. Navigate to the video settings in Pojavlauncher and ensure you have allocated at least 2 GB of RAM to Minecraft. If your device has 8 GB or more of total RAM, consider allocating up to 4 GB for smoother gameplay and to prevent this common error. Sometimes, corrupted game data is the problem. You need to clear Pojavlauncher's cache and game files. Locate your Minecraft folder, usually found within the game's directory on your device. Completely delete this folder. This action forces Pojavlauncher to download a fresh set of game files upon its next launch, often resolving issues caused by corrupted installations or outdated data. Remember to back up any important worlds or resource packs before deleting the folder, as they will be lost otherwise. Graphics drivers play a crucial role in game performance, and outdated ones can lead to exit code 1 errors. Ensure your device's graphics drivers are up to date through your system settings. Equally important is keeping Pojavlauncher itself updated. Developers frequently release updates that address bugs and improve compatibility. Make sure you are running the newest version of the application from its official source to benefit from these crucial stability and performance enhancements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.